Are you ready to turn your creativity into cash flow? Whether you're a writer, artist, entrepreneur, or content creator, this giveaway is packed with tools designed to take your skills to the next level and help you earn more doing what you love. Inside this powerful collection, you'll find game-changing resources like tools for creatives who want to get paid and creative tools for solopreneurs, to name just a few. These aren't just inspirational fluff. These are real tools packed with strategies, checklists, and step-by-step plans to help you boost productivity, grow an audience, and yes, make more money every single month. One of the most exciting freebies is the eBook that shows authors exactly how to grow their reader list and skyrocket book sales using YouTube. If you're a self-published author or thinking about becoming one, this guide is honestly a goldmine. You'll learn how to turn short videos into long-term income, build a loyal fan base, and get your books in front of the right readers, without spending a fortune on ads. This giveaway is perfect for freelancers, course creators, bloggers, YouTubers, Etsy sellers, and honestly, anyone building a creative brand online. Even if you're just starting out, these tools will help you fast-track your growth and turn your passion into profit. Don't miss this opportunity. Click the link now and download these free creative tools before they disappear. Your next level is waiting. Grab it now and start building a future that pays you back. Download the free creative books and tools now. The link is right below the video, in the description.